Hi, good evening, friends. Tomorrow is Bank Nifty expiry, weekly expiry. I opened the Bank Nifty chart. As usual, I opened a monthly overview. Monthly overview, what we have done is we have analyzing what is the previous low versus previous high. If I put the Febu there, and it is definitely above 618%, which is good for the market as long as it sustains above. Still, it's not a bearish. See, if you exactly it's 0.8786, 44,709. It is kind of touched and slightly there is a rejection. If you see this, 44,710.55 highest is this thing, but we had a Febu of 44,709. That means it is kind of small retracement maybe, and I can only say the market can really do well if once it passes 44,753.90 for it to be bullish. Still a long way to go, not much, around 300 points or 350 points, but let's see weekly overview what it says. Weekly, if you see that definitely there is a progress compared to the previous week candle versus current week candle. It's definitely has made a higher, at least low, and still it has to pass higher high. Higher high is still around 44,706. Once it passes 44,753, at least can be higher high. There is a strong resistance there. It's interesting to see what would be the next candle going to form. Now let's quickly see the day view. Day view still there is push us from the below again to the top. The day's low was what, 44,336.95. It is pushed up to close finally 44,909. Okay, and then if you quickly see the short time frame where we stand on intraday perspective. Okay, intraday I think it's better. I'll look for the shorter time frame. At least shorter means in 30 minutes, even 1 hour is fine. Let's quickly change the Febu levels for intraday where we stand. So the previous high somewhere here, if I take it to the, I'm putting approximately now 10 points here and then, that's fine. Okay. Purpose. Okay. See, as per this shorter time frame Febu, it is kind of closed above 0.236% Fibonacci level. So it's formed a green candle. If at all, if gaps up, it should be good. Once it passes 44,593, easily you can keep it as 44,759 as the target. So before we go the target, we have to go. Let's go and have a view of open chain, open interest in option chain, open interest. See, market closed 44,409. Immediate resistance what I see is 44,500, because 3,60,330 is the open interest for this strike price. So that I feel strong resistance in 44,500 itself. Okay. Then if it passes somehow, if it gaps up beyond that, then 44,600, one more strong resistance. And maximum we can expect 45,000, may not be in this week, but we can't say. But only you can think of next levels only if he passes 44,600. Otherwise, at present is telling me only 44,500 max. Okay, on the put side, where it can go maximum downside. Immediate downside from 44,400 to 44,200 is a strong support area, is what we see as per the strike price. So 44,200. and this is the maximum what we have, 44,500. We have maximum. This, okay. So based on this, at present, okay, what I'm expecting is market to move 300 points above and below 200 points. Let's see our days range as per the closure. As per the closure, 44,409 is the closure today. If you see the levels, what it comes on, it is not Fin Nifty, it's Bank Nifty. These are the levels. We saw that open interest is 44,500 on the higher side, so I expect this can be the strong resistance, first resistance. Next would be around 44,500. The worst scenario, I mean, it can always go to 44,548 also. In case tomorrow, in case, one more thing I want to mention, that in case if somewhere market open above straight 44,080 or something like that, it may go up. Certainly sometime it goes up very quickly on these levels faster, but since market is not that faster now, it may go again to 44,548 and slowly come back and again take a resistance of 44, support as 44,479, go up. In case market opens somewhere here 44,000 flat, if it goes to 44,479, it will get rejected again. It will have a retracement, or it can go up to 44,339 and then again go up. This is what happens behaviors usually markets, as per my 6-7 years of observation. Okay, just keep this, note these numbers, and quickly let's go to the strike price. Keeping 44,400 as a closure price, I've done a nearest strike price, like call side 44,500 to 44,800 also I've taken, just in case market can go anywhere it wants. Put side, I have taken 44,400 in the money to the out of the money 44,400, and these are the levels which you can actually have a limit order for you to get a fetcher and next levels. Example, if you are 44,500, if you're thinking of 44,500 your target, in case of retracement, these are the levels you should be able to pick the values, strike prices of rates, and then have some obviously you must have a stop loss properly. So these are the next profits levels which you can make for the even lot size whatever you take. Okay, similarly, in case market takes a U-turn, and these are the put targets which you can keep it in the strike price, like in case if you short the market in the higher level, you may get it. These are the rates in which you can get. It can fetch you 103, for example, of 44,400 in the money if you take, or if you take the out of the money 44,100, you may get it 25 rupees 0.59 in this area, in this area. And then next levels, you can see what is that you can earn for each targets, right? Hope this information useful. Have a great day tomorrow and profitable day tomorrow. Thank you. Bye-bye.